Hi, welcome to our channel. You are watching Chronicle today. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe or follow our channel. Diabetes is a disease caused when the body does not properly produce insulin. There are two types of the disease. Type 1 diabetes is where the body does not produce insulin, and type 2 is where the body resists insulin. The majority of people diagnosed with this disease have type 2. Symptoms of diabetes include extreme thirst, hazy vision, excessive hunger, weight fluctuation, fatigue, and frequent urination. Diabetes is often controlled with insulin and prescription drugs, but diet and exercise play a large part in the ability to control the disease. There are also herbs that can help reduce the effects of diabetes. Ensure a healthy diet by concentrating on foods such as vegetables, grains, fiber, and legumes. These foods will help regulate sugar in the bloodstream. Avoid junk food and foods that contain sugar such as cakes, cookies, and other sweets. Alcohol, tobacco, and caffeine should also be avoided to maintain a nourishing diet. Exercise helps promote good health and combats against the negative effects of diabetes. It is important to exercise regularly and keep an appropriate weight. People who are inactive or overweight have a higher risk factor for diabetes and are prone to suffer from more side effects caused by the disease. It is especially important to exercise to build muscle. Starting a weight program will increase muscle mass, which will increase sensitivity to insulin. There are many herbal remedies recognized for their therapeutic properties of treating diabetes. They are commonly found in pharmacies and grocery stores and can be a great natural remedy. Prickly pear cactus has shown positive results in the treatment of this disease and was recently recognized by the International Diabetes Center as a viable natural remedy. Bitter melon has been used for years in Asia, Africa, and South America for treatment. Garlic will reduce sugar levels and is a healthy way to add flavor to food while benefiting from its curative traits. Other common herbs are ginseng, psyllium, fenugreek, bilberry, dandelion, and burdock. Vitamin supplements are frequently used to help treat diabetes, with the most commonly recommended ones being vitamins B6, C, and E. Also, zinc, selenium, alpha-lipoic acid, chromium, and vanadium are commonly used. Rather than take individual supplements, some patients opt for a multivitamin to add to their diet. Diabetes is a disease that affects a large portion of the population. The risks associated with it are serious, but can be controlled with lifestyle change. Ensuring a well-balanced diet and good exercise routine will help in preventing side effects. Also, proper use of herbs, vitamins, and natural remedies will help prevent the necessity for more traditional means of medication.